welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. Thank you so much for joining. I love to do fashion videos, travel, day-to-day life activities, just take you guys along, share my life with you. This weekend we are doing a birthday trip to Annapolis to enjoy the powerboat show. It's my boyfriend's birthday, so we drove about 2 hours from Northern Virginia through DC up here to Annapolis, Maryland. We arrived at the Graduate Hotel this evening, and we're just hanging out. The Graduate allows pets, so we brought Axel. He's got his bed and toys, just hanging out. He'll hang out at the hotel, and then we have reservations at Chart House. It's on the water. It's like seafood and steak, so I'm excited. It's a little fancy, so I'll dress up for that. Who doesn't love a dress up moment? But yeah, we'll enjoy a birthday dinner, and then Saturday we will go to Miss Shirley's, I think, in the morning for breakfast. They have an outdoor area, and Axel will be able to come along with us. It's within walking distance, so that will be nice. And they were on, was it Diners, Drives? Diner, you know what I'm talking about. Diners, Dine-In, Drivers, Dive-In, something. Whatever. I love that show. Never can pronounce the name of it. Always get it wrong. Anyways, they were on that, so you know the food is good. And then the boat show is Saturday. Hang out there, enjoy just seeing how rich people live and yacht and enjoy life. And who doesn't love to be immersed in that? And then we will go to Osteria 177, which is Italian, for dinner that evening. That's also all within walking distance, which is awesome. Chart House is the only one we have to get an Uber for, but everything else is within walking distance, which is why we picked this location, and because it was dog friendly. So, you know, excited to bring you guys along, and I hope you enjoy. Good morning. Axel seriously has me up at 5:30 in the morning on a Saturday. So I figured I will just work out. And I saw this lady go into the workout room, and now I'm a little self-conscious. I was hoping I could get up early and like be the first one up, you know? But that's okay. We are at the Graduate Annapolis. And I think they have like homecoming this weekend. Navy has homecoming this weekend. So, right? Isn't that the school? I don't know. So there's probably a lot of alum here too. Graduate, you know. So the alum are here. And I bet you they're all like athletes anyways, like military or sports or whatever. So it's probably a good thing that I woke up at 5 o'clock to walk Axel outside to go to the bathroom, and now I'm about to go to the gym. This is my fit for real. I wish I wore more clothes. You know when you get a cute outfit, you're like, oh, I'm gonna be cute in it, like, and I'm gonna feel better, and I'm gonna want to work out. I mean, mean, this is cute, but like I feel self-conscious because, you know, I'm not like tight in it, you know. I'm not cute in it, but it is cute. Let me show you. Like, it's cute. It's a cute little two-piece, and then I have this, what do you call these? Like wrap shawl, whatever. I mean, it's cute. I just am not that cute in it, you know? It's just maybe isn't the cutest for me in my body type, but it's a cute outfit. But now I'm self-conscious and I don't want to go in the workout room. Does anyone else experience this, or is it just me? Anyways, yeah, Axel and I, we went to the bathroom at the doggy park this morning, and then we walked around the hotel floor a little bit, and now I'm about to go do a workout. And look at this area. It's so cute. This is like, look at this. That must be for the units that like don't have windows, so they have like these interior windows. But like I wouldn't be mad about that. It's super cute. Anyways, we're about to go get our workout on. Well, I am. We're about to do, oh yeah. So I'm still doing 12-3-30 for a month. I don't know what day I'm on. I started on September 19th. Today is October 8th, so however many days that is, that's what I'm on. I'm still a chunky monkey, but I am proud of myself for being committed to something and sticking with it. And that is what counts. And eventually, that mentality will get me to where I want to be in life. So we're getting it done. We're about to go do that, and then because they have like weights and stuff like that, we'll do that. Actually, I'll show you guys the fitness center. But anyways, did I mention I'm staying at the Graduate Hotel Annapolis? It's so cute. Oh my gosh. And I posted Axel on Instagram, and they commented back, and they were like, what did they say? Oh, they said the perfect guess. I thought that was so cute. Anyways, I'll show you the photo of that too. I will show you the gym, and then we will get it started. Wow, this lady's running in here, and I'm about to go in here and walk and watch a TV show, but you know, we all can just do our thing. Anyways, here we go. The day is ready for me. basket or something like that. Delicious. Definitely recommend. We're about to chill now. It's a little cold outside. Hopefully it warms up a little bit more. And then we're gonna head to the boat show in probably like an hour or two. But yeah, Miss Shirley's, they have an outdoor area. So if you have a little fur baby, you can bring them along and hang out. A lot of places have outdoor areas, so that was like a positive. And yeah, definitely recommend. For the boat show. Target mules, just because every time you do the boat show you have to like get onto the boat and you're not allowed to have shoes, so I always feel like it's easier to do mules. I thought about bringing socks. I am bringing socks, but like, will I have to use them? Who knows? But just bring them just in case, but normally you don't have to use them. But I think mules or like slides work a lot better than like shoes or boots, because you have to take your shoes off, guaranteed. These are like expensive boats. A lot of them are sometimes like sold beforehand, so like they don't want to mess them up, so like you're not going to wear shoes. And then it's about like 60 degrees outside, so this is like a sweater dress that I got from Shein. It's like cream color. Actually, I love this dress. Like, it's got the pretty sleeves and stuff like that. And then I'm just putting a cardigan over top because I feel like it's gonna be pretty cold. I also have layers. I have shorts underneath for layering and because it's a little bit see-through. And then yeah, so Target, shoes, dress, Shein, cover, Target too. And yeah, I think it should be good enough for like 60-degree weather and the sunshine. So wish me luck. The fit for today. Okay, so we're currently at dinner at Osteria 177. We went to the boat show. This was the fit, Target, Shein, Target shoes, Amazon. I actually surprisingly got so many compliments on this, maybe because I like matched the interior of all the boats, but like I felt like super special with all these compliments, you know? They were like, can we take a photo of you with the boat? And I was like, yes. Yeah, I think it's the dress, Shein. Even though like my tans don't match, it actually, I actually survived like the cold. It was cold. Maybe not too cold. I think it was just right. Like in the sun, it was perfect. You know, like a nice fall day. In the shade, it was cold. And now it's just gotten cold. So perfect timing. We're now at dinner, about to have Italian. I'm so excited. And yeah. Thank you. We made it back. It was freaking cold, but still doable. So like, we've been really lucky. We've been really lucky. The weather hasn't been that terrible. I mean, it's like cold, it's like fall. It feels like fall, but it's doable. You know, I wore my sweater dress and cardigan and I survived. And we went to dinner and yeah, we're back. We're about to have our dessert. Actually, I'm not that hungry, but like I really enjoyed the walk, and I pray that like when I get a vacation home one day, like in a water town, hopefully like Annapolis or somewhere I could go south to, but like I would like a home that's like right in town where I can walk to restaurants and then walk home, like walk off my dinner. Like I'm so thankful for that. I'm really thankful for the location that we're at right now at the Graduate. It's like the ideal location. We walked to Miss Shirley's, we walked to the boat show, we walked to Osteria 177. The only place we needed to get an Uber was when we went to Chart House, but we knew that was like a 30-minute walk, so technically we could have walked if we wanted to, but like I just didn't want to do that. I was all cute in heels and stuff like that. I didn't want to do that, but like yeah, it's like perfect location, so definitely recommend it. Plenty of places to eat. Miss Shirley's was like a 10-minute walk away. The boat show was like a 10-minute walk away. You know, walked down to the circle, then kept walking. It was awesome, and Osteria was like by the boat show. So it's been a great day so far. We had an opportunity to eat, rest, boat show, drinks, eat again, drink more. Like I said before, our waiter is a certified sommelier. So I was like, you know, do your craft, do your skill, do what you're certified in. You suggest whatever wine we should have with our meal. And as it turns out, he suggested a wine with every like course of our meal. So like the arancini, the Caesar salad, the lobster bisque, then our entrees. So basically in the end, I had like 3-4 glasses of wine, and I'm like a 1 glass with wine type of dinner person. Plus we had like drinks. I had an old fashioned prior to going to dinner. Like I don't drink this much, so like it got to me, but I don't feel like terrible. I feel delicious. So like whatever I had like paired well with my meal. And my meal, like although I had like a cream based entree, like I had a rigatoni with sausage and shiitake mushrooms and like peppercorn cheese sauce, like even though it was like a cheese sauce, like cream sauce, which is like what I prefer, my body doesn't love it and it normally hurts my stomach. I still feel good. Like I don't feel like blah. You know, you eat someplace and you're like, oh, that was good, but I feel like I can't function after. Like I'm borderline there. I think it's the wine, but like I feel good. So I'm assuming it's just the quality of food. Delicious, quality of wine, delicious, all paired well together. Just got back to the hotel. Ian just took Axel out to go potty, and then we're gonna feed him. But this little fool, when we arrived, little man was on the bed with his toys, enjoying his best life, watching TV, and I don't know what he was doing. And we'll probably find out whatever he was doing after the fact. But yeah, like look at where his toy is. It's like directly on the bed. He was just living his best life. Like on the bed. He was just posted up on the bed, being a big boy, living his best life. And yeah, like what your children do when you're away from home. It's like fur baby, but you know, in my mind, he's my child. So yeah, I think at the end of the night, I'm gonna have some cheesecake. Ian's gonna have some tiramisu. We're gonna feed Axel. We're gonna chill for a second. It's only like not even 8 o'clock yet. And we may go across, like not even across the street, like basically in the, what is it called? The entrance to the hotel. It's like a game bar, like a, what's it, like game arcade or whatever, bar and arcade. We'll probably go over there. Or like the hotel itself has a restaurant and they had like live music last night and like drinks and stuff like that. We might do that. Or shit, it's so cold. Or shoot, it's so cold. We might not do anything. And like, I think we're both okay with either because it's just been a splendid, chill day. So if we do something else, I'll take you along. If not, I will see you in the morning. Okay. Oh my gosh, before I forget, let me do a haul because we definitely bought stuff because like, who goes to like a water town and doesn't buy stuff? Like, I don't know. I'm that person that I want to buy like a sweatshirt, a hat, or whatever. So we definitely bought items from whatever the local shop is. So let's get into it. Let's do a haul real quick while it's just me and you and the boys are out of the hotel. Okay, here we go. So what is your preference? So I got the navy without the white piping. Ian got the navy with the white piping, and then he got the hat. So we came to the conclusion that the navy, just navy, is like more feminine, and the navy with the white piping is like more masculine. And yeah, good morning. It is Sunday. It's our last day here. About to get a workout in, and then I think we're gonna grab food and head home. Yesterday, yep, we ate at Miss Shirley's like planned in the morning. Then we took a little nap. Then we walked Axel down to the water, came back, went to the boat show, went to dinner. It was one of those days that literally felt like 4 days in one. So I feel like I've been on vacation for like 5 days, even though it's only been like 2. So overall, great experience. Yep, loving the fact that we could bring Axel along with us and just like share the experience with him and enjoy it with him. No dogs are allowed at the boat show, so obviously we didn't bring him to that. But I mean, you know, just being able to bring him to like the hotel, have him stay with us, and then, you know, taking him to like breakfast and stuff like that. It's been great. So yeah, I woke up this morning feeling, it was hard for me to wake up this morning because like we went to bed pretty early. So then I woke up in the middle of the night and I was like up until like 2. And I could feel all the wine we drank from dinner. And I think my body just is not a wine person anymore, so. Yeah, I'll be happy to sweat that out. Gonna do 12, 3:30. I don't think I'm gonna lift any weights. Maybe I'll just stretch and do 12, 3:30 and go back and pack. But like, I'm the only one in the gym, which I'm thankful for. And then look at this view right here. This view is everything. And our room is like, our room, I guess you can't see it, but our room is this direction to the left of the view right now. So in our room, you can also see the sunrise, which is beautiful. But yeah, like I said, about to get this workout in, watch a vlog or something on YouTube. Gonna get this workout in. Oh, and I don't think I mentioned, top is Free People. Shorts are part of an Amazon set. Also, I wore these shorts yesterday underneath my dress because my dress was kind of see-through, and I feel like I wore these shorts underneath and they kind of like suck you in. And then this shrug is like Amazon. Yeah, so gonna get it together. So we are about to go to Miss Shirley's for breakfast. This is the outfit. Just got this yesterday at one of the souvenir shops. Ian got one like gray with like white piping around the navy, but I just got navy with no white piping, no like border. I feel like it looks more feminine. Got an extra large for the baggy fit, some Target jeans and shoes. And little man's freaking out because his daddy just went outside and he's stressed out about it. But yeah, this is it. So we will take you back to Miss Shirley's to get breakfast, and Axel will come along with us.